Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming your Lexus supports Apple CarPlay and that your iPhone is updated. This matters because incompatible firmware prevents the connection. Plug in a certified Lightning cable into the car's USB or prepare wireless pairing if your Lexus supports it. Next, enable Bluetooth and cellular on your phone and unlock it. This allows the system to detect permissions. Once done, tap Connect on the infotainment screen and accept prompts on your iPhone to allow CarPlay. This initiates the session. Once CarPlay is detected, you'll configure how it behaves. On your iPhone, open Settings, General, CarPlay, and select your Lexus, so the phone remembers the vehicle and restores preferences automatically. Make sure Siri is enabled because CarPlay relies on voice for navigation and calls. Grant permission for notifications, contacts, and audio. Then, in the Lexus infotainment, show the CarPlay app layout and choose audio source and steering wheel shortcut buttons so you can control navigation and media without fumbling. This improves safety and usability. To finish, test each core function. Start navigation, make a call, and play music through CarPlay so you confirm touch and steering controls respond. Pay attention to Siri responsiveness. It may need a brief microphone check. Once everything works, lock the iPhone to ensure background operation while driving. If something fails, restart your iPhone and power cycle the Lexus head unit. Then delete and repair the vehicle in iPhone CarPlay settings. This simple reset fixes most connection errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.